How to use castor oil for skin moles. Very few people know that castor oil is very effective in removing moles in any part of our body easily and effectively. Castor oil is extracted from castor bean seeds, which is also known as Ricinus communis. Castor oil is very famous for its antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties and gets deep into our skin layer and helps in removing moles. How to remove moles by castor oil. Rubbing castor oil. Just by rubbing castor oil on the affected area can help in removing moles very easily. Take a little amount of castor oil and rub it on the mole for a few minutes. Do this process twice every day until the mole vanishes. Castor oil with baking soda. Just add a small amount of castor oil in the baking soda to form a paste and apply it on the mole properly. And then fix a bandage on it. Remove this bandage on the next day and wash it with water. This process repeated for a few days will help in removing moles. Castor oil with garlic. Add 2 to 3 drops of castor oil with 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder to make a paste, and then apply this paste on the mole and keep it for 3 to 4 hours. Then rinse it properly with water and make the area dry, just twice a day to get best results. Castor oil with honey. Take 1 teaspoon of raw honey and add 2 to 3 drops of castor oil in it. Then apply this mixture on the mole and fix a bandage on it for a few hours. Then remove the bandage and rinse it with water. This process should also be repeated at least twice a day.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.